asked me did I want the receipt. If you want to give me the receipt. Ooh, it's hot. It smells good. Can I have some of your sandwich? I just want to taste it.
Oh, why do you always do that?
I just want to taste it.
Go ahead.
Just want to give you guys a heads up that I am going to be selecting the 1K giveaway winner in this video, so make sure that you stay tuned and watch from start to end.
Oh yes, I have. But they're usually small. This one's kind of big. Oh, there's space for something else beside.
It looks like it's gonna be all Starbucks. They got they umbrellas all the way across the front.
They sure do.
Ooh, look at that line.
Oh, but I feel like all Starbucks lines are gonna be like that.
Oh no, golly, not this one. No, they just opened this one.
Yeah, you would think people don't know about it, but obviously they do.
I bet they got the app. These folks come to Starbucks every day. I know it.
Oh, so if you have the app, they probably send emails or notifications, right?
These addicts. Look at them.
Oh my God, there are so many cars. I'm not even a coffee
need help.
But
all
really
you
though,
people are sick.
caffeine is addictive. It's an addictive substance. I don't drink coffee like that. I don't drink caffeine like that.
Oh, this is gonna take forever.
Wait, why is one line going that way and it's green and one is going this way and it's white? Am I supposed to be over here?
I think you should just stay here.
Okay, so we came to Starbucks to try all of the holiday drinks, the Christmas festive drinks or whatever. I've watched a couple of videos like this before, and the one that I watched had 4 drinks. So we're not, are you gonna like drink a whole drink?
I can.
I'm not a big coffee person, so I figured we would just get one of everything and taste them together.
That's fine.
It's not.
If you don't like it, I'll finish it. How many of them is it?
I think it's just 4. Which could easily be like $40 at Starbucks.
You trying to get all 4 of them?
Yeah, we're gonna taste all of them.
Oh my Lord.
We're gonna taste everything they have that's like holiday, festive.
It better come with a free cup.
I don't remember what they are.
So I guess we'll find out when we get up here to the menu. Yeah, look it up. Y'all see what I have to deal with? Husband for auction.
We'll start the bidding at $5 billion.
$5 billion?
Mm-hmm.
My viewers ain't got that. I don't know if I have any $5 billionaires watching.
Oprah might come across one of these videos one day. Yeah, Steven ain't been doing too good.
You know about Oprah and Stedman, what they have going on. You don't even keep up with celebrities and entertainment.
Holiday drinks.
Okay, what are they?
It's a lot of them.
Okay, let's see. Peppermint mocha, toasted white chocolate mocha, caramel brulee, latte, chestnut praline latte, eggnog latte, cranberry bliss bar, sugar plum cheese Danish. Okay, so what do you want to try? I'm not trying all those drinks. Sorry, not sorry.
Well, you said
I think we should pick 4 since 4 can fit in a cup holder.
You said you want the chestnut praline?
Yes, I want to try the chestnut praline latte.
We're gonna do the caramel brulee latte, the toasted white chocolate mocha. Let's just do 3, because you don't even like the other ones they got.
Wait, scroll back up.
It's that one, the peppermint mocha, the toasted white chocolate mocha. I say get this one, and that one.
The peppermint sounds good.
So you want to get those for the peppermint mocha?
Can you scroll back up where I can see the whole list at one time?
It doesn't show the whole list at one time. Oh, you mean like this?
You were on the page, yeah. Peppermint mocha. I want to taste the peppermint, the caramel, and the chestnut for sure. And you want to taste the white chocolate. So let's just get those 4.
Okay. I got to give me a little Danish or something.
What else is it? A scone, a Danish?
I don't want the holiday scone. I don't want that. I was just going to get a regular Danish.
Cranberry Bliss Bar, Sugar Plum. What's the Sugar Plum? Sugar Plum Cheese Danish. That's probably good, or you don't want that? You want a regular scone? Okay.
And that's what we get.
Well.
You ever had their breakfast sandwiches?
No.
Their breakfast sandwiches be hitting.
What you call it has good breakfast sandwiches. Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah.
It's not straight.
They hit or miss for me. Bad driver alert.
I'm being told how to drive, y'all. Dang, danger. Is this the order?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the...
Oh,
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Just 1 second.
Alright, take your time. Let me know if you have any questions.
Yeah, let me get the bacon and Gouda.
Okay, for starters, we want one of the bacon Gouda breakfast sandwiches.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Give me one moment. I'll be right with you.
Okay. Yes, I'd like one bacon and Gouda breakfast sandwich.
Alright.
And what's the smallest size? Is that a tall?
It's a tall.
Okay, I would like one tall peppermint mocha,
Alright, what else can I get for you?
one tall toasted white chocolate mocha, one tall caramel brulee latte. And do you guys have the chestnut praline latte?
We do.
Okay, and I'd like one of those as well.
And a tall.
Yes.
Would you like a cup holder?
Yes, please.
Alright, so what else can I get for you for that order?
That will be all.
Okay, your total is $24.81.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, we got talls, which is smallest size, so the total really wasn't bad. I thought it would at least be $30 with the breakfast sandwich.
I was thinking more like 40, 50.
Yeah, so we
$9
could have probably tried all of the holiday. I feel like you could probably get all of the holiday drinks because there's one more. We got 4 out of 5, and you could probably get all of the holiday treats, like those little danishes and scones and stuff,
About $30.
for less than $50. Yeah,
Yeah, definitely.
definitely be under $50. But hey,
That's a lot of money for Starbucks.
$24. Yeah, exactly, $24 at Starbucks for 4 drinks that we may or may not drink the entire part of
I'm
is
gonna drink the whole
more
thing.
than enough.
They all gonna get drunk. We don't waste money or food.
They better have masks on up here.
And if they don't, what you gonna do? Tell them you don't want it?
Basically.
Oh man. So this will all have been for nothing. If you're watching this, this may or may not have been a waste of time. Oh, so good. Everything that coming out that window look good.
Theirs was really big.
They probably got the grande.
That's not even healthy to drink that much sugar and caffeine.
Hi.
Hello.
You have the bacon Gouda and then all the tall drinks?
Yes.
Alright, $24.81. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Oh, they have a tip jar now.
Here you go. Here's a $4 gift card.
Thank you.
No problem.
Ooh.
A $4 gift card.
Yeah, can we use it today? It says on your next visit. Hey, we coming back. So why y'all didn't...
Shoot, we should have just got all 4 drinks and went around 4 times.
Right. Why y'all didn't tell me Starbucks was giving out money at the drive-thru?
Could have got 4 free drinks.
Wait a minute. So I've gotten Starbucks gift cards for Christmas each year that are like $5. Are they giving me free gift cards that they got at the window? Probably. They probably just put this in a Christmas card. That's dope. That's good for one drink.
Like cash, yeah, or a sandwich.
Don't be flashing my cash.
It's my cash.
That's my cash.
It's our cash. $2 go to you, $2 go to me.
You see how married people act? Give me my cash.
Yeah, $2 of that mine. Just so you know.
My cash.
Selfish.
Do you have any cash for real? Like,
no.
I don't want to put change in there, but I don't think I have like real cash. I'm gonna tip him. Oh wait. Oh no, that's a 20. They're not getting that.
No, I don't have any cash. I have a gift certificate for a free meal from Texas Roadhouse.
It would be nice to tip them since they have to make four drinks for us, but who uses cash these days? C19.
So here are your drinks.
Oh, thank you. Can I put them in?
Yeah. No.
And we're just gonna pull up.
Wait.
You gotta get your sandwich. I'm gonna wait for your sandwich.
Dang.
Danger.
He's kind of hot.
Here's your bacon gouda.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Did she give me
Oh, it
my
all
receipt?
smells so good. I don't know. Did you get your
I think
card?
she did. Yeah, she gave me my card. She just didn't give me the receipt. But she asked me, did I want the receipt? So, girl, why did you ask me, did I want the receipt if you weren't going to give me the receipt? Oh, it's hot. It smells good. Can I have some of your sandwich? I just want to taste it.
Oh, why do you always do that?
I just want to taste it.
Go ahead.
Dang. Bruh, chill. They're not labeled.
Well, I guess we're going to play a
I guess
guessing
we
game.
have to taste it and figure out what's what. I have seen people, oh, no, it is labeled. It's right here. This is the caramel brulee latte that I'm tasting. Which one do you have?
I can't see. I can't record and pull the thing down. Unless you're going to do it for me.
Let's do one at a time.
I was trying to cool it off.
So caramel brulee. I don't, it just tastes like hot chocolate. It's not that hot, just a bit. What do you think?
Yeah, it's just a little bit of caramel. It's not as sweet as I thought it was.
I'm not a coffee connoisseur, y'all. It just tastes like coffee. Okay, let's look at the next one is 'Tis the Season. Oh, this is the peppermint mocha. Now, you can't not taste peppermint. I think this one's going to be the best one. Okay, now this one is like Christmas Day. Like, I might need to come back for another one of those. Oh, I was supposed to take my lactate.
It's
Just
kind of good.
a quick tip for those of you who might be lactose intolerant or sensitive to lactose. All you have to do is take a lactate when you drink anything that has dairy, and then your stomach doesn't hurt. So I'm gonna take that now.
It's kind of good.
Yeah, peppermint is it's hard to swallow a pill with something hot. I wasn't thinking when I did that. I should have taken it with the water. Okay, so the peppermint mocha is my favorite so far. That one is getting finished. Why do you keep taking the lids off?
Because you keep leaving lipstick on the brim of the cup.
So you can't drink off my lipstick?
I don't want lipstick on.
I mean,
Cashew, whatever it was.
oh no, that's the one that I really thought was gonna be good. Cause I love praline ice cream. So let's see, babe, that's the one I picked. He giving me the side eye like he's gonna drink the whole thing.
It tastes like it got actual like nuts in it. Like little mini chunks of almond or cashew. Or
It's the smell too. So maybe it tastes better when you have the top off, because there's some stuff that I'm smelling that I'm not tasting.
I hope this is bright enough because it's raining.
No, that's where's the list? You getting stuff all on my phone, baby.
What did I get on your phone?
That. Okay, so
This is the toasted white chocolate mocha.
yeah. So that means this last one is the chestnut praline latte.
So we had the caramel creme brulee first. That's the one neither one of us really cared for. I don't taste any caramel. He said he tasted caramel.
It's real, like.
The peppermint one was really good. It's very Christmas. Now that's the one that's super, super holiday. Toasted white chocolate mocha. Now this is the one that you wanted though. And it tastes good. It smells better than it tastes. Let's see that one. Hold on.
I want you to take the lid off of this.
Okay. Can I hold it and you take the lid off?
No, I'm gonna hold it. I want you to take the lid off.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's got candy. Is this the praline one?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the praline stuff on top. Let me taste it. Ew.
You don't like it?
The little bit of candy, the bits of candy I was expecting to taste like pralines. You know, like nuts that are candy coated and toasted. That's not what it tastes like. It just tastes like they put rock candy on here.
Oh, that's good.
But the actual drink is really good.
The peppermint is cool. It's just like I have to be in a certain kind of mood for that one. But it's just the toasted almond. It's really good. That's probably my favorite one.
I think it's just toasted white
I
chocolate.
haven't tried
Is it toasted
one.
almond?
Golly, baby, you drank the whole thing.
No, I didn't. It was already low. Okay, so I want the peppermint back, please. Is that
I think
this
that's
one?
it.
Okay, so now we have to rate them all. 1 to 10. Oh, the praline one is so sweet that it made the peppermint one taste weird. All right, so caramel. That was the first one we tasted. Let's rate it 1 to 10. What do you think?
I say like a 6.
A 6.
Like I probably wouldn't get it again.
I didn't really make it lighter in here. So he says a 6 for the caramel. I give the caramel brulee 3. I did not taste any caramel.
I'm gonna give it one.
I did not taste any brulee, but it was good. I mean, for a coffee, you know, like if it was a free coffee, I would be like, oh, this is good. But I don't think I would buy it again. What about the peppermint? 1 to 10. 10 being the best, 1 being the worst.
So like a 7. 7 or 8.
I give the peppermint an
Because,
8.
Like I said, I have to be in a certain mood for it.
I give the peppermint an 8 on the taste, and I give the peppermint a 10 if we're looking at like the festive or the holidayness of it, because the peppermint was definitely like Christmassy. None of the other drinks gave me holiday, Christmas. They just are regular coffee drinks.
Now it's a toss up between these last two. I've been drinking.
Okay, well, this one
forth.
was the white chocolate, toasted white chocolate.
I like that one, but the whatever this foam and this candy is on this one kind of set this one off a little bit different.
I give the toasted white chocolate a 8.
I agree. 8 or 9.
It's just as good as actually it's better than the peppermint, so I would give it a 9. The white chocolate mocha I thought I was gonna like the least, but I actually really like it, and I would give it a 9 for taste, but it's not as festive as the peppermint.
think this is gonna be our winner right here.
The praline?
Yeah.
I don't know. The praline disappointed me a little bit. Instead of these little caramel candy bits, they should have actually put praline pieces. That's
wait.
It doesn't taste like nuts.
Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. We might have a contender.
What's that? The white chocolate?
Yeah, so remember I told you it felt like almonds were in here or something?
Mm-hmm.
It sunk to the bottom, so I didn't have any more since the first time I tasted it, and I just started getting chunks. So
It has nuts in it?
that's what it tastes like.
You taste chunks of something?
Mm-hmm.
I need a spoon.
It might not have put a lot in here,
You
but
put treats in the bottom? We should have read the descriptions to know exactly what's in each one.
these two are definitely my favorite though. The
Yeah,
white chocolate and the praline.
The praline is good. I would give it a 7. Simply because it tastes good, but it disappointed me on the praline. It would not have been that difficult to smash up some pralines and put it in there. But they put like some candy bits, which the candy bits are apparently turning Theo on, but for me it didn't do it.
I'm not doing it for you.
Okay, so we did the ratings for each one. So number 1, you got to pick a number 1.
I think
On
the
taste.
praline.
This is just taste.
the praline probably gonna take it.
My number 1 is the white chocolate mocha. Pick a number 2.
The white chocolate mocha.
And my number 2 is the peppermint. Pick a number 3.
Peppermint.
And my number 3 is the praline.
And this is my number 4. So we
The
agree.
caramel is number 4. And
We
I
agree
agree that the
caramel
caramel is number 4. So if you guys are going to try these drinks out and you want to pick fewer than the 5 that they offer, of course the 5th one, the eggnog one, we didn't try, so we can't advise you on that one. But if you have to cut any of them off, definitely cut off the caramel. Neither one of us liked that one, and we both love caramel drinks and caramel candies, and that in general, it just wasn't really doing it. It just tastes like a regular coffee. And then if we're gonna look at the festiveness of the drinks, I definitely would put the peppermint at number 1. I think they could have come up with some way better Christmas drinks. Like, where's the gingerbread flavor?
That's a good question. You want to try this?
Where's the a nasty fruitcake drink? You know what I'm saying?
You got the tops for these?
Mm-hmm.
You hand them to me.
You should probably tear this and keep your sandwich on the inside. It should probably touch the outside. Right.
It's about to be gone.
Bacon Gouda, it's okay. Their bacon is like that microwave bacon. I like the bread most of all.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, which one did I... Is this the white chocolate? Yeah, that one's definitely good. Like, I would just drink this one. But what else do you guys think that they left off on their holiday? Because I feel like the fall, they did really well. I saw pumpkin. I didn't taste any of them. I'm still really scared to, like, be eating out, y'all, to be honest. But I really wanted to do this video. They had pumpkin spice and some different things. For Christmas, what else could they have done other than gingerbread? Well, they did do the eggnog. So one of the main Christmas drinks we didn't try. What else do you think?
Can't think of any other flavors they could have did.
When I think of Christmas, I think of peppermint, eggnog, gingerbread, cranberry. They did put cranberry on the scone or the Danish, but they could have done a cranberry drink. I'm trying to think, what else do I think of, like as far as taste go when I think of Christmas? Sugar cookie. Like, if there's any, I'm talking about for drink flavor. If there's any sugar cookie holiday, it's Christmas. They could have done a Frappuccino that had like red and green syrup around the edges. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That would have been cute.
I'm all coffeeed out, babe.
I need to be on a Starbucks planning team or whatever they call the committee that comes up with the drink ideas, because this ain't cutting it. It's cute though. It tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, he's done with his sandwich and I'm pretty much done with this coffee. I'm not a big coffee person, but I do feel the caffeine kicking in. Do you feel the caffeine kicking in?
I hear it kicking in.
I can't even talk. So since I don't drink caffeine, my body is extremely caffeine sensitive, and I can feel my body like warming up. Well, it's warming up a little bit because of the drink side, but I can feel like, I don't know how to explain it. I could just tell when I have caffeine. Yeah, and you can see I can't talk.
Do you need me to drive?
I can drive under the influence of caffeine. Dang.
We're on the side of 85.
No, we're not. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and turn on your post notifications so that you can catch all of my Vlogmas videos. I have not been exactly doing everyday videos, but I'm trying to keep up with Vlogmas as best I can. If you have any video ideas that you would like for us to do for the holidays, then please make sure that you drop those ideas down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to check them out and take them into consideration and film them if we can. Bye, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and pick the 1K giveaway winner for you guys. You can see that we had 50 valid entries. I told you guys that you could enter as many times as you wanted, and bam, there it is. It looks like our winner is Leanna Johnson. So congratulations, and I will be DMing you on Instagram. Thanks for participating.